Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make your icon larger on your iOS 26. So if you recently installed iOS 26 beta and you want to learn how to make these icons larger, then let me show you how to do this. So here you want to go ahead and first long press on the home screen. Next tap on Edit at the top left and then tap on Customize. Now from here, you want to go ahead and select this tool here, which is just next to Customize and above Tinted. Tap on this and then this will basically make your icons larger. So if I go back, it makes it smaller, and if I tap on it, it'll make it larger. Once you're happy, tap home, and now your icons are larger. So there you go, guys. That is how to make your icon larger on iOS 26.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.